Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your mutual funds with Fidelity Investments, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Fidelity Investments account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab on the main menu. Select the Mutual Funds section from the drop-down options. Review your existing mutual fund investments displayed on the screen. Identify the funds you wish to protect or manage more closely. Consider transferring your assets to a more conservative fund if needed. To do this, click on the fund you want to transfer. Select Exchange to move your investments to another fund. Review the available options and select a fund that aligns with your risk tolerance. If you want to set up automatic investments, go back to the main menu. Click on Research to analyze potential funds for automatic contributions. Choose the fund you wish to invest in regularly. Click on Buy and select Set up automatic investments. Enter the amount and frequency of the investments you wish to schedule. To further protect your funds, consider setting up alerts. Return to the main dashboard and find the Alerts section. Select Create Alerts and specify the criteria for your mutual funds. You can choose to be notified of performance changes or significant market events. Finally, review your investment strategy periodically. Make adjustments as necessary based on market conditions and personal goals. Always consult with a financial advisor if you have questions about your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.